Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the suborder Heteroptera of order Hemiptera. What are the characteristics of order Heteroptera? The various figures are given here of the different families of Heteroptera. The characteristics of the Heteroptera are head, thorax, gular region sclerotized, wings folding flat over abdomen. The forewings are usually sclerotized basally and membranous apically. This is the basic character we can easily identify a heteropteran from the, or we can easily distinguish the heteropteran from the homopterans because the forewings are basally sclerotized while apically membranous. Base of rostrum not touching the anterior coccyx. Pronotum large, trochanter small, tarsi commonly three segmented. Metamorphosis incomplete. The difference between the homoptera and heteropterans. The homopterans are group of sucking insects that totally depend on plants, while the heteropterans are depend on plant as well as blood feeders. Homopterans are plant feeders, while the heteropterans are plant and blood feeders. Homopterans lack toughened area on the first pair of wing, while heteropteran possess the basal half is the tough area, while the apical half is the membranous. Heteropterans have the same wing texture, while the heteropterans have different or the base forewing basally is differ from the apical part. Homopteran species hold their wings droop-like over their backs, while the heteropteran species hold their wings flat over their backs with the two membranous portions overlapping. Homopteran's head is deflexed, while heteropteran head is correct. The back, the beak may arise from the posterior part of the head of the homopteran, while in heteropteran, the beak may arise from the front part of the head. So this is the basic difference in the homoptera and heteroptera. Now, we describe here the important families of the heteroptera. Reduvidae, assassin bugs, Cimicidae, bedbugs, Tingidae, lacebugs, Pyracoridae, red bug or stinner, Tauridae, leaf-footed bugs or sting bugs, Scutellaridae, shield bug, Pentatomidae, sting bug, Gerridae, Pondoscator, water strider, Ballostomatidae, Ghent water bugs, Nepidae, water scorpions. Various other families are also present in the Heteroptera. Some of them we describe here. Number one, Reduvidae or the assassin bugs. A very large family, exclusively predaceous or blood-sucking, usually brownish or black and medium-sized to large insect. It has an elongated narrow head and portion behind the eyes being neck-like. The rostrum is three-segmented, usually curved, and is tipped, fit in a proexternal groove. The antennae are filiform. The metathoracic scent glands are absent. The abdomen is broad at the middle, and the margins of the segment beyond the wings are exposed. Tarsi usually three-segmented. Here is the about 400 species are present in worldwide. So these are the characteristics of Reduvidae. Here is the causal agent Trypanosoma cruzi in human trypanosomiasis in South America is carried by triatoma. Here is the given example of the triatoma of some close relative blood-sucking animals including humans and carries the tropical American Chiagas disease. Can inflict the painful bite. So Kala Ajar in India, that is the Trypanosoma rubrophaciata. The next family is the Simicidae. Simicidae family include bed bugs. What are the characteristics of the bed bugs? Members of this family are blood-sucking and ectoparasites on mammals, man, and animals. They are broadly oval, flattened insect having very short hemielytra. Ocelli are wanting. The rostrum lies in ventral groove. Legs are normal with three jointed tarsi. Here is the characteristics of the Simicidae, the bed bug. Cymax lactylurus, originally in Europe and North America, now in all parts of the world. Cymax hemipterus and Cymax lactylurus probably encounter cave-dwelling humans, not yet conclusively proven the carrier of any human disease, even though the bugs can be successfully infected with some human parasites. About 75 species are present in all the geographical area of the world. Here is the Tingidae. Tingidae, the head is small, that is called lace bugs. Head is small, without ocelli, anti-slender to stout, generally first two segments very short, third segment is long. Pronotum and forewings often fine to coarse reticulate, lacy, tarsi two segmented. The phytophagus on anything from the mosses of the flowering plants, often host specific. Several species are common pest on the maize, cotton, and other cultivated plants. Almost 800 species are present in all geographical area of the world. As the Pyracoridae, Pyracoridae is an important family or important pests are included in this family. Red cotton bug, red bugs and strainers are present in this family. This is a large number of red cotton bugs which are present on a plant. They suck or feed on the plant sap. Brightly colored with red and black marking, medium size with conspicuous eyes but no oculi. Rostrum slender, four segmented, antennae four segmented, three segmented tarsi, phytophagus, legs possess rotatory coxae, pulvilli present. Example, Discus conigi, red cotton bug, while Discus singulatus is also example of this family. Is the Pentatomidae. Pentatomides are known as the stink bugs. What are the characteristics of Pentatomidae? Moderate to large size bugs, antennae 5 segmented. Antennae usually 5 segmented. Base of the antennae are concealed by the lateral margin of the head. Scutellum large, triangular, and never covering the entire abdomen. Covering about half the abdomen. Tarsi 2 or 3 segmented. Head with side margins generally expanded over the base of the antennae. Oculi usually present. Scutellum, बात बता दी आपको. Tibia without row of spines. So these are the pentatomid bugs which are present in this family. Pentatomid. As an anthocoridae. Anthocorid bugs. These bugs are. These bugs have ocelli and cuneus present, membrane of wings with or without wings, male external genitally asymmetrical, predatory, mostly on small arthropods, including their eggs. Some eat ants, other inhabit bird insects, may bite humans. About 400 species in all geographical regions of the world are present in this family. Now, the Geridae. Geridae is very interesting family in which the pond skaters and water striders are present. These are predaceous bugs, moderately large, usually slender insect. Head is elongate and slender, with four segmented rostrum, small median and gland opening on the metathorax. Hemielytra when present the homogeneous. Coccyx is rotatory. Mid and hind legs usually elongate. Tarsi two segmented and clothed with fine hairs which do not wet and thus enable the insect to move about on the water surfaces. There's the pediphild Geris tristan, Halobatus occurs in open oceans hundreds of miles from the land, predatory generally on insects. Oceanic forms feed on plankton and floating jellyfishes. About 350 species are present almost in all the geographical regions of the world. Balastomatid, that is called giant water bug, largest member of the Heteroptera, are found in this family. About the 4 inches in length, the broad, flattened body, middle and hind legs are barkly flattened with swimming hairs, brownish oval and somewhat flattened. Antennae four segmented, posterior legs adapted for swimming, the tibia flattened and fringed with hairs, abdomen with two retractile apical appendages. Here is two apical appendages, retractile apical appendages are present. Inhabits freshwater, may lies in mud and debris on bottom, can inflict severe bites, predatory, aggressive, strong swimmers, grasping from leg capture insects, fishes, and frogs. Approximately 100 species are found all over the world. Next family is the Nepidae, that is called water scorpions. These are predaceous aquatic bugs, antennae three segmented, forelegs raptorial, hind legs adapted for walking, tarsi uniarticulated, anterior pair clawless, wings well developed, abdomen with an apical breathing tube. Here is the apical breathing tube. Here is the apical breathing tube with abdomen, apical breathing tube, spherical 4 to 6 claws, Ranatra, Nepa cinerea, Lacotrophus are the examples of the family. As the various characteristics which are found in these families, you can add or remove as per your requirement. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and make a like on this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.